Friends, welcome to S&D Innovations. Today in this video I'll show you how to change or replace the battery of a DJ unit, that is the portable type of box that are available, and I will replace the battery of Zebronic moving monster that I have purchased few years ago. So let's see how we could able to open the entire system and replace the battery. Let's start. So friend, first of all open the top 4 number of screw. After opening that, the top part will be opened. Then after that, incline the system. So however, I am showing you in Zebronic moving monster, but most of the DJ box like this consist of battery inside the unit, and you have to replace the entire system. Means you have to open the entire system to replace the battery unit. So you can see now I am dismantling the handle unit, means that is the unit, you can see it here. After that you have to open the net part, that is the front part. In most of the this type of unit, the total system of battery is installed at the center of the box, and you have to open the entire system, without which it means if you want to replace the battery of this type of unit, if you think that you will just open one or two part and you will get the battery unit, but that is not true. So you can see it here, I have to dismantle the entire unit to just replace the battery. So after that you have to open the net part, that is the front part, as I have stated you earlier. Open it gradually. Now open the top part of the handle. There is two handle in Zebronic moving master. You can see after dismantling this, you have to open the. So now you have to open the front grid part or the mesh. So I am opening the mesh, and it is installed with the help of 4 number of screw. So after opening it, you have to dismantle the speaker unit, and inside the speaker unit there is the battery unit. So you can see it here friend, I am opening the entire system. In the next video I will install the battery of lithium ion type. This type of unit basically consists of alkaline battery, which is not so much good and have a life of not more than 2.5 years. So if you increase the life of your battery, you have to replace it with lithium ion battery, and for that I will show you how to make a lithium battery unit of 12 volt in the next video, and I will install it so that it will give a backup of more than 4 to 5 years without any issues. And if you want to purchase that type of battery of this unit, it will cost about 1400 to 1500 rupees, but you can easily make your own lithium ion battery of 12 volt capacity and 4.5 or 6.5 H power, means capacity battery, and it will cost around not more than 450 to 500 rupees. So it is better to build a new battery and replace it rather than using the similar type of alkaline battery, because as I have stated earlier, the alkaline battery unit installed in this type of DJ box doesn't give a good backup, and it will give backup only of 2.5 years only. So now I will show you where is the battery. You can see the battery is installed, at the center part of this box with a clamp unit, and the power of this battery is about 4.5 Ah, 12 volt. You can see it here, friends. I think all of you have liked this video, so please subscribe S&T Innovations and don't forget to press the like button. Thank you. Help me to increase my subscriber.